What's up, ninjas? Today we're going to be doing some range training. Thanks to PACT.com for sending out the shot timer. We're going to be doing a bunch of different drills for you guys. So first we're going to start out with some one reload ones. We're going to start with our AR style guns and then move on to the pistols. So first up we got the newly reimagined Zastava PAP 85. We got the J-Mac brake on there. We got the Magpul M-Lock rail covers and the AFG2. Primary arms, SLX1. And we're gonna let this thing rip. So I'm gonna do a one reload one. Not super comfortable with AKs yet, so if I botch it, don't give me a hard time.
Ready?
First shot, 0.85. Second shot, 5.2. So it took me 4.35 seconds to get the second shot off. We're gonna work on that. I'm gonna let these guys go, and yeah, we'll keep trying to get better here. Here's our grouping here. This was from some shots we took earlier, but here's the 5.56 holes. So we're gonna work on it. This is my first time shooting this gun, so. All right, here we go, Mr. Tacticool, 2 shots, 6.86 seconds. Click review. What was the first shot?
0.39.
0.39.
Split 0.39 also.
Split is
6.47.
6.47. How do you feel about that number, Mr. Tacticool?
Too fucking slow.
Pretty slow. We're gonna get better. We're gonna keep trying.
Ready?
Perfect. Let's look at the time on that.
One.
What's the 4:44? Cut your time almost directly in half, Mr. Tacticool, with one simple trick. .636. Ready? We got a 6.52. All right, we're switching to the pistol. Just doing a one reload one. We got a 7.90. Split time was 4.88.
Ready?
That was pretty slow.
Ready? .75.
I'm gonna do one more.
Ready? .36, 3.13 split.
You got for time 8.19.
No good.
5.65. All right, show everyone some self-defense techniques. You see anybody dangerous individuals coming up to you?
You get this dangerous individual coming up to you. He has a baseball bat. He's got barbed wire wrapped around it, and this motherfucker is crazy. All you really need to do is you get fucking ready to blow his head off.
All right, at the sound of the buzzer.
Shooter ready?
got for time? 9:23.
Damn.
I tell you what, this shot timer will humble you. But it's always good to try to improve on your times.
Thanks to PACT.
Yep, we want to give a shout out, huge shout out to the channel sponsor of today's video, PACT.com. Go ahead and pick up a shot timer. We actually don't make any money from PACT, but they do make a nice shot timer and they were nice enough to send it out for free. Also, we have Tacticon Armament. So Tacticon Armament supplied nothing really because we paid for it all. We got the helmets, the battle lid, we got the battle vest elite, we got the crotch shot here, the Tacticon battle belt, and another battle belt. We got the K2, K3 mag pouches with the pistol pouches. As you can see, we're all rocking Tacticon today, so big shout out to Tacticon. Use the affiliate link in the description. Right now they've got a super good 40% off discount code. I believe it is 9 years, code 9 years.
Like the video.
So if you want to save 40%, make sure you like the video, comment something, use code 9 years on tacticon.com.
We need more likes. Give
Link
us more
in the
likes.
description. We're also looking for an ammo sponsor, so if anybody wants to sponsor us some ammunition, please reach out to me. But we're going to do one more with Mr. Tacticool, and then we are going to switch it up to a different drill.
Make sure you like and subscribe, or I'm gonna be on your doorstep with this right here.
Alright, Mr. Tactical's last try on the one reload one.
We got some illegals running in our yard right now. We're gonna go ahead and put them down.
Ready?
What we got for time? 6:44. Major improvement from Mr. Tacticool. And we're going to switch over to a different drill. Alright guys, we're going to be doing a Mozambique. If you don't know what that is, it's 2 to the chest, 1 to the head. So we got the shot timer, and we're just at 7 yards, but just 2 to the chest, 1 to the head as fast as you can.
Ready?
Got a 1.86. First shot was 1.15. So what is that? Split time. 0.21 for the second shot and 0.5 for the third.
Ready?
What do we got there? 124.31 for the first shot. The first shot was 0.73. Split time between the second shot was 0.2 and then 0.31 for the third shot. Pretty good, I guess. I don't know what the average time should be, but seems like that was pretty fast. Ready? Damn, dude, the got 1186. We're definitely a lot slower with the AK since we're not used to it yet.
2 to the body, 1 to the head.
Yep. Ready? What do we got for time? 140. 0.46 first shot. Split time 0.44 for the second. Headshot was 0.50. Ready? Got for time.
Started at the low though.
236. Your first shot was 1 second 41. And your split times are good. Try to get Try to get the first shot off faster.
Yeah.
Ready? Got for time 1:53, much better.
Oh.
We got a .65 to the first shot. Got a .19 for the second shot, that's really good. And .69 for the third. Excellent, excellent.
We're gonna do a Mozambique drill here with the Glock 17. We're gonna go ahead and show this dangerous individual what happens when you mess with the wrong people.
Ready?
I think I missed.
There we go. Alright everyone, I made a community poll to see which gun you guys wanted to see at today's range day. Everybody chose the POF 308. So we got all this 308. We got the Omega 300. Might give you guys a little sniper rundown. I thought it was going to be wet, but it's pretty dry out here. So I'll give you guys a little sniper rundown with the DMR. Got our suppressed mode on. So, sniper school. Let's come over here. Sniper school 101. Take a walk. When you're a sniper, you don't want to be seen by anybody. So, we have the branches here. We're going to basically set up inside this brush pile. And I'm going to take a shot. We got a pink target down there, probably about 75 yards away. Ideally, you would want to be as far away as possible while taking the most accurate shot you can. So, 1 minute while I climb up here in this brush pile. Here, I'm going to sit down, I'm going to stick up the ass. Alright, so I'm in a pretty good spot here, totally covered. Come around the front here so you can see if you can see me. So, we're pretty much covered. Stand on that side of me over there. Alright, I have one target, maybe two if I can hit it. Alright, see if I can see it. Perfect shot. Now, the main thing is you want to be quiet. You don't want to be seen. So we're ready to take our shot. As you can see, we hit our target. Did that eject? We might be on the wrong gas setting. Alright, so we're in our crow's nest here. Little brush pile. I see a pink target down there. I'm having some issues with the suppressor. It's the the gas setting's not right, and I really don't know which way to turn it, so we're gonna put that up for now. I'm gonna turn the gas back to normal. Right. So we're hidden. I don't know if you can see the pink target down there. But we can take a few shots from the brush and really not be seen. Ideally, you'd want the suppressor, but we're dealing with one target here, so if we can neutralize that threat, we won't have to worry about anyone else seeing us. And bye. Wasn't ready. Oh, it's not even gonna pick up the suppressed rounds. Cool thing about this rifle is we have an ambi bolt release and an ambi mag release. It's a full ambidextrous lower. We have a bolt release and a mag release. That's ambi safety. We'll try the bill drill again. I'm gonna try to keep it all in the head area. This is a big rifle, a lot of recoil, so we'll see. No, those went right over the top. See here, this thing's getting really dirty pretty fast. I just got bukkakied with some gas and oil mixture. Ah, it burns. So, when your enemy's real close, you can come up here. This is gonna simulate sneaking up on an enemy. Come up real close here. Pretend this guy is facing behind us. You just want to take your rifle and just hang on. Oh, that's hot. I thought it was loose. Just want to take your rifle, blast him right in the head. All right, everybody. Basically, just going to be doing a 2-2-2, 2-2 and 2. Obviously, in the name 2-2-2. So, we've got the AK. Can we get a shot timer going?
Ready?
Yep. What do we got for time on that?
184. $132.
132. That's the time to beat. Alright everybody, you just saw some tactics only performed in the Gravy Seal Division. Whoa. That set off the car alarm. Looks like you guys are just in time for another home defense technique. Home defense tip from Mr. Tacticool. We got rid of the ACUs. We're all woodland out. The woodland critters. Alright. So, what you're going to do is...
So, if you're going to use a Glock 17 Gen 4 for home defense, you need to make sure that your gun is properly sighted. So all you need to do is get a good grip on it here, grip it tightly, hold it like that, just like this, with your thumb pointed towards your target. And then once you have your target in your sights, but before all that, you must make sure, do you have one in the chamber? Which we in fact do. And after all that I just told you, and you got your target in your sights right here, this is really all you need to do.
Check out the new helmets from Tacticon. These are the battle lids. It comes with the, what is this called? The arc rail. And we bought genuine Peltor arc rail adapters. And then we're too cheap to buy the Comtex, so the walkers will work just fine. So Mr. Tacticool is going to show us up. We've got the shot timers supplied by PACT.com. Go ahead and check them out. PACT Club Timer III.
Shooter ready?
Shooter ready?
Alright.
First one was .57. Second shot was .77 with .20 slit. What?
Good split times. We're
3,
looking
143 with the 166 split.
good. What was the total time?
143
No, for the entire thing.
for the end.
Yep. One more. 250. Pretty good time. Alright. And we're at
150.
1.5. Alright, everyone. The GoPro only had an 8 GB card in it, so I'm not going to use it. I ended up recording a bunch of stuff that was useless because I forgot it was recording the whole time. So I've got the suppressor on the AK here. It's probably going to be close to the end of the video. Just want to give another shout out to Tacticon Armament for hooking us up with the affiliate link. If you want to buy some stuff, check them out. Haven't shot this thing suppressed yet. I don't know what it's going to do. It could explode. I'm going to take one shot just to see. Super duper gassy. Super duper gassy. I was supposed to have the KNS Adjustable Piston, but it didn't come in. It should be here tomorrow. But I'm basically just going to do a 222. We got the timer.
Yep. Ready. It's still fucking going.
Oh, it's not going to register the suppressor. I forgot. Well, we'll just keep going.
Ready.
Super gassy, in your face. Still going. It counted one shot. 5.26 seconds. This thing runs pretty good suppressed, honestly, but it is super gassy. So like I said, we are getting the KNS Adjustable Gas Piston for this specifically. Mag's not locking back now. But yeah, I think we might get out of here. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. And the range officer's coming, so we might get in trouble.